This is the wireless claw shoot 2.4 GHz Gamepad controller. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Let's look at the unboxing and review of this controller. Now this is available for $1,790 on its official website, but when you try to buy it, it takes you to the Origin Shop website where you can get it for $1,290. You can also buy this on Flipkart and Amazon for $11.99 and $13.79. But I would recommend it to buy it on the Origin Shop website because there you get an additional 5% discount by using their coupon code. Now here's the box. There's branding and preview. On the sides there are some highlights, and here are some different angles of the controller. On the back there is specs and highlights. It says 2.4 GHz wireless connection, 10 meters range, and so on. Now let's unbox. There's micro USB charging cable and a dongle to connect to PC, followed by the controller. Let's get back to it in a minute. Next there is documentation, there's manual and warranty card. Now let's come back to the Gamepad controller. Let's remove the bubble wrap.
20 minutes later.
This is how the controller looks like. Let's have a physical overview. This is the claw shoot gamepad, and it is a pretty good sized game controller. I have large hands, so even for me this is very comfortable. And the build and the plastic quality is pretty solid. There's claw branding on top, LED indicators, back, start, home buttons. You have the analog sticks or joysticks, and the D-pad and X, A, B, Y, the action buttons. It also has rubberized grips on either side. On the front you have R1, R2, L1, L2 buttons and a micro USB port. On the back there is branding and some more information. Now this controller weighs 200 grams. It comes with a 400 mAh battery, and if you charge for 2 hours, you will get 10 hours of playtime. This gamepad requires no drivers, it's just plug and play. This also comes with 1-year warranty. Do register it on their website. Now let's look at the gameplay.
Auto log alert.
Gaming is good, controls and functions are pretty responsive, buttons are great to click and give nice experience for long duration. The rubberized grips help make the experience more comfortable. Some things to note: there is no backlight for the buttons if that's something you are into, and I have tried this only with the PC and did not try it on the TV, but it should work on both of these things. This one is not for the phones. There is another version for the mobiles on myclaw.in website. You can go there and check it out. They also have a wired controller that is available for 999 rupees only.
I got some Joker going high speed. I'm moving to intercept.
Copy that. Advise of suspect details. Additional units will be assigned. 10-4, we're going to need a vehicle description as soon as you can. Over.
Code 3 is Fort Carrera.
10-6. Update will follow. Dispatch to all units in Code 3. Supervisor is suspending search. Return to duty.
Cover me! Reloading! Cover me! Reloading! Oh!
Before I conclude, let's look at the controller tester and check the vibrations, responsiveness, drift, and also pressure sensitivity. If you are looking to buy a controller that's under 1300 rupees, that is wireless and has good haptic feedback, it has all the functions and is compatible with most games, has X input and D input, and works with PC and browser games, then Claw Shoot wireless gamepad controller is a great pick, especially for the low price of 1290 rupees only. What do you think? Do you use controllers? And which one do you use? And what do you want in a controller? Let us know the answer to all of these in the comments below. If you like this video, like this video. If you dislike, share it with your friends, subscribe. Last but not the least, thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one.